Welcome back, folks. So today we're going to be looking at this little baby. Once again, another little toy from Worx. This is the Sonicrafter. Very useful tool, I must say. So let's have a look and see what you get for your money. Now, before we go any further into this, today you can buy this from Amazon for 65 quid. All right. And the normal price is £80. So you would have a good saving today. Whether you watch this in whenever, I don't know, because bear this in mind, Amazon does change prices all over the place. So let's have a look and see exactly what you do get in the box. Well, there's the tool itself. Now that is a nice little tool. That's the on-off button. This is actually the tool for putting your parts in. You've got a speed adjustment there. And there's a light on here. I dare say I've not really seen it that much, but apparently there's a light there. That just in case, we'll have a look and see if there is. Yeah, there's a light. Now with this model you do not get the battery, but if you're going to use this tool you need the larger battery, because the smaller batteries don't last very long. And just in case I forgot to mention it, let's give you the code. It's a WX696. 0.9 means no battery and no charger. And obviously that's a little Allen key which fits in here. With it, now this is a little sanding block. You've probably seen these before. I'll take it out. There's your little sanding block, and all you do is put your little sanders on the top like that. And you do get all these sanding blocks, sanding parts in. So you've got a nice variation of different ones there, from metalwork to woodwork. I just think it's just nice to have all these thrown in with it. The next one is this one. Now, you can use this for wood, and they tend to use this one also, I've noticed, for cleaning carpet up or getting carpet off by going up under. Now whether that's this one or another one, they also do one like this. This is a wallpaper scraper. See, just like that. And also I think they have one like that, but that's the one in the kit. And I think there should be one very much the same as that without this cutting edge on, because this has got a cutting edge. Now I've only used this for wood. So that's your scraper. That's one there. Then you've got another one, which once again, this is for wood. And if you look very carefully, you can see how worn it is. This is just how useful this tool is. It cuts plastic pipes, and especially if you want to fit a socket into the wall. This cuts through plasterboard. Looks so easy to flush fit. I've used this a lot. And there's another one there. Now this one's for metalwork, which is a nice little useful tool, that one. For if you get any nails stuck up, you can just chop them straight off. Now I'll show you how to fit it. On the top there, all we do is undo it like this. And you can see this just goes into this like that. And that's it. Then all you do is wind it up until it's tight. Like that. And then this piece just slides back into the top here to keep safe. And it is a very useful tool. Now, it does surprisingly is quite noisy. Yeah, you get my drift? Very, very noisy. So bear that in mind. You may want headphones on if you're using it a lot. I actually did, and I don't mind telling you, I had headphones on whilst I was using it. With the Worx Sonicrafter, you can get a load of genuine accessories, and one of them is this one here, which is basically removing tiles. Also, you can get a tile cutter. Look, that's really handy, isn't it? Especially for removing a grout. And another one you can get hold of is this one for cutting masonry. There's loads more available on their website. So So this is me testing out the Sonicrafter oscillator tool, and it does work quite well. And this is basically 1/2 inch of wood I'm cutting through, and it goes through this like biscuit. Wasn't that nice and simple to use? Now bear this in mind, I've only used it for cutting off bits of wood and things like that. And also when I was doing my kitchen, I wanted to get in those little small places, and that worked out really well. And also you can do your door frames with it, so it's very simple and easy to use it, do a door frame. So if you can imagine you only want to take about that much out, with these you can just take it out a little piece. So it does make it nice and easy. There you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget, there's a link up there if you want to buy me a coffee. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!